think this is one of the biggest gatherings for youth in regard to empowerment and workshops and seminars. We have actually 22 workshops, and there will be 2 seminars. And the leaders that are present with us now, they're leaders from all over the world. And so under this one roof with interaction with the youth is amazing in itself. In its 7th edition, in Power, under Her Excellency Sheikh Al-Mayasir Mohammed Al-Thani, aims to always to teach young people, youth from the age 17 to 26, leadership skills. So in each workshop we will develop ways to communicate the best way for you to acquire that skill. Also, it's very important now because we live in a global village, and I think global citizenship is something that will benefit not only our country but the world. We have to act as one family. So this is one very important thing that we aim to fulfill this year with our Empower. The third one is community service, and in Qatar we noticed that we started with one volunteer, and now mashallah the volunteer clubs are
huge.
It's a huge.
A lot.
And what we found out is that youth want to do something, but they don't know how they can serve the community. So we're merely as a medium showing them what is out there and how they can help. And you'll be surprised, from painting houses, they go with us to the workers' premises, and they paint their premises, to boxing food in Ramadan and beyond that.
Yeah, during the iftar, you're giving foods, right?
So
they're also visiting some elderly people, right?
And the elderly people, this is a soft spot for me because I love that, what we do with the elderly people. And the other thing is that they surprise us because they come up like today. They come up with projects that we never thought possible to fulfill. And one of the projects that I really was keen on is the One Family. And it brings students from little children from independent schools and team them with children with Down syndrome and interact with them. So they interact to bridge that gap. And it's amazing how when they interact, it's like
there's a mutual, like
they interact, and it helps both teams actually. Both teams. It helps the young people know that they can, they're one family. Sometimes you have a member of your family that's, has a bit of a special need that you have to take care of. So exposing them to that was really amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.